In this video, I'm going to show you how to add classes in QuickBooks Online. Now, the first thing you have to do is turn on class tracking, and you want to go to Settings, top right. You want to go to Account and Settings over here, and then what you want to do is scroll down here to Advanced Settings. So, of course, when you're in Advanced Settings, you want to scroll down and go to Categories, and as you can see, if you click on that, it says Track Classes, and currently it's off, so I have to toggle this on by clicking the switch over here, and then you want to click on Save. Now, whenever you do that, as you can see, settings are going to get saved. Then you can exit this, and the second thing you want to do is add your classes. So go to the top right again, click on Settings, and then go to All Lists. In here, you'll find the classes, so they basically are over here. You want to click on classes, and to actually add classes, what you want to do is click on the New button top right, and when you do so, you have to basically give it a name. So I'm just going to name this one Sample Class because it's a tutorial, and then you can click on the Save button, and there we go. That's all you have to do to actually add classes. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.